Okay, we're doing a regular closer. So you measure from the hinge side. Now, the diagram only gives you what A is. Doesn't tell you the measurement. What works good for me is 5.5 inches. Then the holes on my closer are 9 inches on center, so you add 9 inches to that. Come down from top of the door, 1.125 inches. Now read your instructions. These are these instructions, but it's a very common door closer. Now, for the piece on top, you go 6 inches over from the first hole. So I had 5.5, so it would be 11.5. Then 1.75 inches. And this is up 1 inch. Then I drill my pilot holes. Okay, on your closers, you can turn them either way. These are your speed adjustments. This is your delay adjustment, okay? Speed adjustment goes to your hinge side, okay? Very important. Speed adjustment to your hinge side. Okay? Use the right bit. This is a number 3. Remember, put your screw on, see if it sits square and it's not wobbly. Now, I like to remove this piece. You don't have to. I just think it's easier. Save the screw. It has a pin. It has a pin that comes out. Anyway, the top is round. The top is round. And then this one, if you could see it, it's got a flat end on it. And your pin is round, but has a flat end on one side. So make sure you put the piece with the flat end up on the door frame facing down. Okay. Now, put this on so it's straight out. Okay. Okay, we're going to preload it. The little flat piece should be to that side. Okay, then we get a screw in the top of this that holds the arm on this way. Okay, then open your door. Put that screw in. Now you see how it's slammed. Okay, so now you got to do the adjustments. Remember, the right is your speed. Okay, so all right, it's a little better. Now we're just going to turn it about another 3 times. Well, 3 more times. All right, let's try some more. Well, that's turned all the way. Okay, now we're going to adjust the speed. Now this you don't want to do more than 2-3 turns at a time. This side you got to be more careful. There's oil in these and springs. These are spring adjustments. These are the speed adjustments for the oil. Okay, now I adjusted this, which helped with the pressure of the door. Then I start with the bottom one. I had to turn it back in. Then I went to the top one, and now I think we have it very well. Okay, it's not going to slam on anybody, and now you can open up the door even just halfway. Still closes, or all the way. Okay, still closes. Now you get the finished cover that goes on it. Okay, when you put in your door closer, when it's a left-hand swing, you're going to see a little hole there. This would go on top. The screw is going to go through there, so this piece slides in the grooves. Okay, makes a nice little decorative color. Makes a nice little decorative cover. Found the screw. Now this screw is going to be for a number 2 bit, so you need to change back to a number 2. All right, and that's how you install a door closer. Okay, there's many different types. This is a very common type that you can use. So that's how it's done. And then make sure you adjust your door so that the door opens easy and then closes properly. You don't want anybody getting their fingers jammed in the door, okay? Building with Papa. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thumbs up or thumbs down, it's up to you. All right, see you on the next one.